I would like to welcome on stage Shripad Khare. He is a BE in Industrial from VIT Pune. He has worked in different industries and presently he is a Vice President in Quality at Kirloskar Brothers. Welcome, sir. Now I would like to call upon Shripad Khare to share his experience about the industry. Shripad Khare.
Well, good morning to all of you. Dignitaries on the dais, respected parents and my dear colleagues. I will introduce myself in brief. I did industrial engineering from VIT in 92. Later on I did my MBA in international business. I also learned German, so on and so forth. Why I chose to study industrial engineering? Because at that time we had very less options. Today we have ample of options to choose from. During those days, the options were limited. As industrial engineering is very close to mechanical engineering or production engineering, I thought it's better to graduate from industrial engineering. Later on I can get myself converted into any stream that I want. So it's never too late, that's what I want to tell you. After graduating from college, I took on my first job in Khopoli. I think that we should not lose any opportunity to hold on to a job, because your first job is very important to build up your career. Then I joined Kirloskar Oil Engines in Nasik as assistant engineer planning. Then I was given responsibility of entire production shop. Now how that responsibility came to me, I'll tell you in brief. When I was working as a planning engineer, I used to always be in the machine shop, talking to the operators, talking to the supervisors, talking to the people as to how production happens. So one should have keen interest in his or her role. So it so happened that the production manager or the supervisor, in the heat of argument, he resigned from his job. And as he resigned, the company had no option, immediate replacement or option, so they asked me whether I would like to shoulder the responsibility of production. And I immediately said yes. So it's never too late, that's what I want to tell you. That today you would be aiming for certain college, certain university, but don't get demoralized. You can choose any stream, any college, any university, because up to certain extent it matters. Later on it is upon us how to build your own career. During the course of our industry experience, we come across a lot of candidates. I'll just share one example with you. I was heading manufacturing engineering department, and there was one vacancy for an ITI. We wanted a machinist. So a very bright student came. He had secured more than 86% in his 12th. But because of poor financial condition, he had done ITI. And he was working in some private firm. He came to us for job. I was just scanning through his documents and I saw he is a very bright candidate, and why he is not pursuing his career. So, of course, he answered all the questions very intelligently and very smartly. Then I told him that I'll take you only on one condition, that you will pursue your studies in future. If you give me this commitment, I'll give you this job. Later on, after 2 years, he worked on the machine with us, and then he came to me and said, "Sir, I'm leaving the job and I'm going to do a diploma and then BE." Later on, he completed his BE mechanical. He joined Wärtsilä Diesel. It's a MNC. And he called me up, "Sir, because you pushed me that I should pursue my career further, I did so, and today I'm very happy." So it is never too late. That is what I want to tell you. And then you can build up your career from manufacturing engineering. I went to quality. Then I was plant head at KSB Pumps in between for 8 years. Then I was Asia Pacific Head for Quality for KSB. It's a German MNC. I left it 3 years back, and now I am Vice President at Kirloskar Brothers, looking after all companies. So everything depends on us. We always try to put blame on others or other environment which is not in our control. So we should always pursue our dream, never let it die, and wish you all the best for your chosen career. Thank you so much.